What is up everyone? In today's video I am going to show you how to fix no GPS signal lost in Narzo 70 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option battery. Now click on it and then click on power saving settings. Now scroll down and click on screen battery optimization, and here you can turn on your screen battery optimization, then turn it off. After turn off your screen battery optimization, then go back and click on system and update, and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset, and click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option erase all data. Now click on it and then enter your password for erase all data. Erase all data basically means factory data reset. It will remove all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents. Everything will be removed in your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.